Did you know that the Skibidi toilet drone can capture stunning 1080p footage while flying? Stick around as we uncover 5 things you didn't know about this quirky yet entertaining gadget. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect, where we delve deep into the coolest gadgets. Today we're taking a closer look at the Force One officially licensed Skibidi toilet toy RC drone. First up, you won't believe it's a toy. This drone is modeled after the jetpack buzzsaw Skibidi toilet, which appeared in episode 48 with a massive buzzsaw and dual turrets. It's not just a fun shape, but it also comes with heavy-duty vision goggles, showcasing some serious character design. Next, let's talk about the built-in 1080p FPV camera. Perfect for beginners. It allows you to capture high-quality videos and photos, saving them directly to your phone's camera roll. This makes sharing your epic drone adventures easy and enjoyable. For those new to drone flying, this one's a breeze. With its headless mode, you don't have to worry about the drone's orientation. Plus, the one-button takeoff and landing feature ensures you can take off with confidence, even if you're a novice. This drone also features altitude hold and speed control. Whether you're flying slow or fast, you can switch modes to match your skill level. The ability to navigate in any direction adds to the fun and versatility. Finally, it comes as a complete set, including everything you need to get started. The rechargeable battery lasts about 6-7 minutes, which is perfect for a good session of bathroom battles. In conclusion, the Force One Skibidi toilet drone is not only a fun gadget, but also suitable for users of all skill levels. While the flight time could be longer, the features offered add immense value. If you're a fan of unique toys or drones, this one is a great pick. Don't hesitate to check it out by clicking the link below. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.